Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and here with my hands-on impressions of the global Xiaomi 14 Ultra in this white variant. It is a beautiful color, guys, and this video is talking all about this impressive hardware we have here. Here you see that giant camera module. It is massive in person, I gotta say, but there's some serious camera hardware here. There you see the specs of the version I'm looking at here, the 16,512 gigs version. And look, I gotta say, just from the initial impressions of design, display, look at this display with the curved edges. I gotta say, it does feel pebble-like in the hand. I do like that aspect of it. And the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on board. This is a powerhouse of a phone. Buttery smooth to the touch. Here you see some of the details of the phone that I'm looking at. There you see it, 512 gigs of storage, running HyperOS, which is kind of the next version of MIUI. I honestly don't feel they're very different, and I've gotten kind of tired of MIUI over the years, but I do like the fresh coat of paint, at least with HyperOS. And now let's talk about the camera, serious camera hardware on this bad boy. And I just did some initial testing here, looking at, as you can see there, the additional camera accessories you can pick up. Super fast shutter speeds on this, and there you see the ultra wide. Also very nice. Now, just talking about the hardware though, super impressive, but it is a thick beast. It is definitely a lot thicker than I expected it to be. And, you know, it almost makes my 15 Pro Max seem very slim by comparison. But looking at the zoom here on this one, 100 times zoom. Now, shout out to Devin Art and to all you guys who are still super obsessed with the slight improvements in camera quality. This one's taken a step back in some areas, but I think overall they're still delivering an amazing camera setup for this phone. But I do really like the way that the edge just rolls into the display. Tiny bezels on this phone. I gotta say, Xiaomi has delivered some very impressive hardware here. If I could get used to this camera module being just gigantic, but I do love this silver color. I don't like the black, guys. It just, the white silver version seems a lot better and a little bit smaller. I was actually impressed how small that this phone feels in the hand. All in all, guys, I do think this is great hardware. And hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on this Xiaomi 14 Ultra global version? Are you gonna pick this one up at 8,999 Hong Kong dollars? It is pretty dang pricey, but you can definitely pick up the China version for a lot cheaper. I'll decide if I pick this one up even at all, because honestly, guys, you know, it's a lot of money. But hit me up in the comments if you'd like to see that. Like, subscribe, appreciate all the support, guys. And once again, I do think, you know, Xiaomi is delivering now the goods, and you know, this is going to be a very competitive phone next to any other Samsung, Vivo, Honor, or other phone that comes out. But that's it for this one. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for future updates. A beautiful last look at the back of this one. Thanks for watching, guys, and this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.